My brothers, we have always been deceived. We have always believed in false promises. But this time, we must stand for our rights. But sir, this happens every time. First, they promise, then they forget. If I lie, do not vote for me. But I promise, I will be your voice. This Rahmat Ali is talking too much. We have to stop him. Offered him money to stay quiet.
But sir, he is very honest. He won't take a bribe.
Everyone has a price. Let's see how honest he really is. What is this? Just a small gift. If you cooperate a little, it will be good for everyone. This is a bribe. I will not sell my honesty. Get out of here. I knew it. Truth always wins.
I knew it. Truth always wins. Honesty's in bad. You are proud for me.